How to collect Gazania seeds. Known as the African daisy or treasure flower, Gazania ringens are members of the aster family that are native to South Africa. With cheery daisy-like blooms at close-up and dim light, Gazania range in colors from bright yellow, orange and red, to pink and white. These sun-loving flowers grow between 6 and 12 inches tall, and are perfect for front borders and rock gardens. Gazania are tender annuals in U.S. Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 1 to 8, but can be perennial in zones 9 and above. Gardeners who wish to propagate Gazania can do so by following easy steps for collecting seed. Things you will need: pruning shears, bowl, paper bag, envelope, canon. Collecting Gazania seeds. Wait until petals have fallen from your Gazania flower heads, letting them mature until they are brown. Snip off the spent heads using pruning shears and place them in an open paper bag to dry out for another week or 2. Remove the fluffy seed heads from the bag and break open the pods over your bowl. The fuzzy, cone-shaped seeds then can be collected for spring sowing. Store seeds in a labeled envelope placed in a dry, cool room until spring planting season arrives.